We don't like to say things more than one time, but it seems like I probably will have to. It is a Monday afternoon and the first class of second semester, but what part of my greeting don't you understand? Number one, welcome to OCE Technical English. Video cameras on, microphones off. That's common sense for a virtual class. Sign in using Alphabet. I use my Zoom statistics to save time for attendance. COVID-19 is still here. Now in Japan, we have a special name for COVID-19. We call it Corona. So since you will be doing the talking, we are virtual. The first semester, at any one time in my face-to-face classes or my virtual classes, 7 to 10% of the students were absent. Fever, felt bad, COVID-19 infection. I hope next year to do face-to-face classes, because by that time, everybody's maneki will be stimulated. You must access Manaba and follow the instructions. There is Chat GPT-3, Bard, Yahoo Translate, Google Translate. If you really can't understand simple English, then you have access to translation software. Follow directions. I know next Monday is a holiday, but your deadline for this week's assignments is next Sunday. 1 week. For heavy-duty writing assignments, 2 weeks. According to the syllabus, now I have not confirmed it, but I will. You are responsible for 90 minutes of outside the class work. 90 minutes inside class, 90 minutes outside class. Review and doing the homework. I hold you to that. So I notice that most of you are not in the university. Safety zones. in the writing assignments. The instructions change. It's not one pattern, ladies and gentlemen. Basic step 1, step 2, step 3. Improved reading and writing skills. Reading and writing are more important in our modern technology-driven societies. You text. In your working careers, you will write more. You will read more. ChatGPT is not magic. We will talk we will have discussions about ChatGPT, Bard, Bing, all the large language programs, how they can help improve your work product. But your basic work product comes from your brain, not from the computer. And if you want to get to nice money, then believe me, you want to improve your critical reasoning skills. Learning how to communicate in a second language really helps improve your critical reasoning skills. Because you have to go back to the basics and develop simple communication patterns. Every one of you can improve your skill. My lesson plans, the project team projects, if you follow the instructions and work together, you will improve your skills. And you will learn science together. No one is perfect. We improve our skills by having conversations with each other. That's why projects are half of your final grade. I have good software and analog logbooks I judge your speeches, the speaker's presentation, and the group work opinion. The first six times, speaking only. The second 6 times, speaking and controlling the PowerPoint. The second 6 times, the first project teams focus on developing writing and speaking abilities. The second 6 times focus on working together and building a good communication PowerPoint. 6 and 6 is 12. We have 16 classes. The final 4 classes are more exploratory. And if the environment is stable, then we will meet in room 303 in the Graduate School of Engineering building. And we will attempt discussions face to face. But that is something to look forward to after making basic speeches, speaking to each other in front of cameras, learning how to make eye contact with your camera, so it looks like you're communicating with your group, speaking in a clear voice, good speaking speed, so everybody can follow. You don't have to sound like a machine gun to be a good presenter. Using gestures. In video presentations, gestures are important because humans need 3D. So creating illusion of 3D in the virtual world makes better presentations.